So what do you do when you do not have a known point? There are a few different methods to help you here. What I'll show you today is averaging your base station's position from an NTRIP service. This method treats your base as a rover as it streams corrections from an NTRIP service. This of course requires internet connection.
First, install the base. You can find the correct installation process in our first video. In Emlid Flow, tap Correction Input and configure your reach to receive network corrections. Tap Add Profile and fill in the information from your NTRIP provider. Tap Save. Provide your reach with a clear sky view to ensure good signal reception and a fair number of available satellites to get a fixed solution. Go to Base Settings, tap Configure, and select Average in Fix as your base coordinates entry method. Set the averaging time, 2 minutes is usually enough, and wait for the coordinates to be calculated. Be sure to copy and save the coordinates for future use.
Now that your base setup is complete, check that your rover and your base have the same coordinate system. Of course, if you need more information, please check our guide in the description below.